Hello everyone, today in this video we will be discussing about perception and the two approaches of perception. So what is perception? Perception is a process by which we interpret and organize sensory information from our environments. Perception involves receiving stimuli through our senses such as sight, sound, touch, taste and smell, and then making senses of that information through our brain. Basic sensory information are received through our senses such as taste, touch, smell, hearing and sight. These information come into the form of things like sound wave, light wave and molecular entities. The brain then changes or transduces this information into a information that can be perceived. Perception then is just the brain putting sensory information together to represent the external world. Now let's begin with top-down process versus bottom-up processing. There are two approaches of perception. They are top-down process and bottom-up process. Starting with bottom-up process is the data-driven approach stating that perception directs cognition. Starting with an example, sensation. Sensation involves your eye collecting visual information, your ear collecting auditory information, and so on the other senses. If you imagine a mosquito buzzing around your head, your eyes collect the visual data of surrounding environment and your ear hearing the buzz. And once this data reaches the brain, it processed. Perception has occurred. The cognitive component that takes over and the intention to swap the bug is formed and transmitted into action. So the bottom-up process shows that this outside data is used by the brain cognitive process to do things like to make decisions in the disturbing behavior. Top-down processing. Have you ever wake up in the middle of the night in the search of water or for the bathroom in the dark? Sure, all of us have. This is where the concept of top-down process introduces the picture. This process states that our human behavior is influenced by conceptual data that constructed our experience and expectation. So putting more simply with an example, you are wandering around your room for the switch in the dark. You are able to get it around because your conceptual data is alive. Where your room structure look like from previous experience. Are these lines are of same length or different length? This popular illusion is called Muller layer illusion. This illusion is a visual phenomenon where two lines of equal length appear to be different length due to the presence of arrow-like shape at the end of the lines. One line has inward pointing arrow making it shorter while the other has outward pointing arrow making it seems longer. This illusion demonstrates how our perception of size and length can be influenced by surrounding visual. With this, I hope this video had made you more clear about the perception part and the two approaches as well.